How to upload file in ChatGPT. To upload a file in ChatGPT is a very simple step. So here we go. First of all, make sure you are in the ChatGPT official website and log into your account. Once done so, you can simply see plus icon available at the bottom left corner of your ChatGPT box. You can see typing chat box option available there, and if there is no plus icon, then there might be a paperclip icon. You can also tap on it. Then tap on the open files or photos. Now all you have to do is choose one file from your desktop, your computer, and simply tap on the open option available there. Once you tap on the open, you can also ask a question about the file, like summarize this document or extract all email from this file or anything. So that is it. Once you send it, then the summary or the documents answers will be shown in your screen. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.